Hi everybody, it is day 4 of Gran Canaria with Canary Motorcycle Tours, and today I'm on my Billy Lonesome. Lily's gone, Mike's had to rush home, and it's just me. It's just me. So I'm going to bring you along for the ride. Thank you for that. Hey, photo bomber, video bomber. So I'm going to take you along for the ride. I'm going to pop a camera on the front of the bike and one on my chin so we can get a few more dynamic angles. But it should be a good day. There are thunderstorms predicted, even though it's looking pretty sunny now, but the floors or the roads are very, very slippy. So it should be interesting. So if you want to come along for the day with me, keep watching. Well, guys and girls, I'm on the road. I'm back on the road. It's just me, myself and I. It's a good job that I enjoy my own company. Having said that, it's not my own company today, because today at the petrol station I counted that there's about 9 of us on the trip. So I set myself at the back, or near the back, so that I can capture everybody flowing around the beautiful roads of Gran Canaria. That's going to be the job for today, and just show you what it's all about. We've got a cool mixture of motorcycles. We have a lovely lady with us with her husband Albie. The lady is called Julie. Yeah, so a huge group of us. We're getting out of the centre and we're heading. I'm not actually sure where we're heading today. I was too busy filming. I didn't get the memo of the day from Martin. But yeah, a much bigger group today, so it'll be interesting to see if we can all keep together. I don't mind being a back marker. I kind of enjoy the sadistic thrill of playing catch up on the violently twisty roads. I'm a demon. Well, it's not looking like there's any thunderstorms thus far, which is quite nice. But they may come later on. Oh, look at the lizards on the wall. Wow. Oh, monsteras. I mean, they were haggard and they were withered. But I see my first monstera of the day. It's not quite got the same effect when you're not battling anyone, but... Flowing up the hairpins, flowing round the big bends, where the drops are wild and high. Oh, look at this road! Guys, look at this. This is so flowy. And the tarmac is beautiful. Oh, look at Doge, look at Doge. Does anybody remember Dogecoin? Is that still a thing? Does anybody actually still do crypto nowadays? Seems like an awfully confusing thing. Seems made up. The money out of thin air. What? Excuse me? Oh, what? How? Oh, look at this. Look at the draw. Look down there and your belly goes boop. There's a big old van. Gracias. Wow, look at that beautiful purple bush. Gracias. Gracias. A dog. A little doggy. A little Doge. We are climbing and we have got some hairpins on the go. Slip that clutch, slip that clutch. have it in first gear here. Up we go. Very, very steep. Hugely steep. What a day. What an absolutely glorious day. The temperatures are amazing. Oh, honestly, I packed my jumper because I thought I was going to get caught in a storm. I mean, I might. There's still half of the day left. Over half the day left. Whoa. Oh my days. Oh, yep, the belly goes. Where's the belly gone? I don't know, but the belly's gone. This looks like it's going to be super busy up here. Will do. So guys and girls, we've just arrived at our first stop and we have been climbing and climbing and climbing to get here. We are so high up, you feel like you're on top of the world. Now apparently you can climb up there and see this crater, I want to say, that was created by water pressure. I hope I've got that right. I was trying to listen when Martin was talking. But we'll go up there now and we'll have a look and see what it's all about. So this is the big crater that Martin was talking about. It's a hell of a crater.
Very dark.
What absolutely breathtaking views. I absolutely know that even though this DJI Pocket 3, not sponsored, is 4K, it won't pick up just how beautiful this is. What a place. Right, time to jump back on the bike, go get a coffee. Right, so it's time for coffee. We're apparently 15 minutes away, which isn't bad at all, is it? I did queue up for the toilet because my bladder is shrieking, but I queued up thinking there was somebody in the toilets for about 10 minutes before knocking on and being like, hello, is there anybody in there? Are you alive? Just to realise that they're actually just locked. I'm guessing that's going to be the coffee stop. Oh yeah. All right, let's go. Let us go. So I think we're heading to Terra now. It's very easy to remember because terror, it's a proper brutal word, isn't it? And we've just had coffees and cakes. I was on water because I am a hydration queen. Gotta keep hydrated always. I had a a nice bit of carrot cake. Didn't know what cake it was until it went down the arch, and it was lovely. Oh, beautiful. But yeah, now we've got some flowy, beautiful roads ahead of us. Where's my phone? Martin, I can't find my mobile. It might be in my bag, but it might not be. I'm so sorry. Like, this pocket was wide open and it's not in there, and it's not in my ass cheeks. Martin. Sorry. It's what happens when you don't have a mic. Life falls apart. Sorry guys. Relax, panic over. See, that's how good Martin is. You just don't panic, pull over, assess the situation, jobs are good in. Okay, calm, zen, peaceful. Now that I'm with Martin at the front, feeling really bad because I just had to blast past everybody, but I didn't want to, but I had to. Just had to take action. But now I'm at the front, and you know what, I've filmed a little bit from the back this morning, and it's nice to follow Martin and his incredible lines on a bike. He is just the king of staying in close, which is the safest way to ride on this island. Wow. Oh, it's just beautiful with all the houses on the hills, on the edges. The cow! There's another cow! It's not the same cow that I saw today, because that had like a mannequin child with the cow on the leash. It was all a bit bizarre. Oh, I know where we are. Is this where we're stopping? Yeah. Woohoo! We have made it to the grill place.
Kate, where's your backpack?
So we've just stopped for dinner and I was going to go for the grilled chicken breast, but there's something that's still chickeny that Martin said sounded really nice and he was going to have it with like sautéed peppers or something like that. So I'm going to go for that. So I'll show you what it looks like when it arrives. But yeah, you definitely don't go hungry here. The portions are like evening meal portions. So if you do come on a Canary Motorcycle Tours trip, you're going to put some weight on.
Do you know that sautéed chicken with prawns and some peppers?
That's nice. After you, chick. Okay, we're back on the road after a rather heavy lunch. Oh God. Yeah, we're back out with the clan. Woohoo! Love that. I love it when you get to do an overtake and have a bit of a throwdown. Throwdown. Right, well, I've just burped. That's the good news. No, sorry, that's the weird news that no one cares about. But the good news is, it's not repeating on me. It's not giving me the meatball treatment of a few days ago. So that's one good thing about coming on Martin's tour, or Canary Motorcycle Tours, is that when you come to a place like this as a solo Brit or some Brits in a group, a lot of the restaurants can take advantage of you. Like in some places, the oldest trick in the book is to have a menu in Spanish with cheaper prices and a menu in English with more expensive prices. And it's right there to see, but because the English don't bother reading the Spanish side of things, they don't even like look at the price, and then they pay more. Martin was saying that when he first came here with Joy, and they were, you know, bringing the groups, like bringing like lots of people to these restaurants through the tours, they said that they sat down at the restaurant and ordered some food, and a Spanish couple at the side of them ordered the exact same thing, and the plates came out and it's like they got two completely different dishes. Like theirs had like a few potatoes dropped on there, whereas the Spanish couple had the same food, but theirs was like a lush green salad with the dressing and all the vegetables. And when the bill came, they were just like, hang on a minute, we ordered the same as them, we did not get the same as them. Right, we'll pay it, but screw you guys, we'll never go again. And consequently, they've been round a few of the restaurants on the island. I mean, Martin's been here like, what, 12 years doing this? So yeah, they've found out the good places that appreciate the custom and treat the people nicely, and they found out a lot of the bad places which are dead to them, basically. So Martin was telling me that, I said, like, how are we avoiding the thunderstorms? And what he said to me was that we travelled up to the north of the island and all the thunderstorms are at the south, and apparently it's pretty bad, like it's peeing it down. Now Martin said that's unusual because that's why all the touristy places are based at the south of the island, because usually they get the better weather because the bad weather comes down from the north first and then usually hits the south like kind of after and not as severe. But that's just not been the case today. He said it's a bit unusual, which I find so interesting. Wow, just look at that view. That's seriously awesome how far you can see. Look at all that. Mwah. Oh, it's got cold. Oh, it smells like rain. It smells like UK rain. So rain smells the same everywhere in the world. It's just got a smell to it. Well guys, so my camera's died just as the rain started. And that's probably not a bad thing because my cameras weren't rolling and, you know, it's better for the cameras and all that. Oh gosh, you can't see nothing. But look at the spray coming up from Martin's back wheel. Now apparently, rumour has it, Martin has many sources and many spies on the island, and it's honking down everywhere on the island. So the plan is to just get back to base. We've had an incredible morning riding on the dry roads, on the amazing twisties, and yeah, we expected thunderstorms all day, so the fact that we've managed to, you know, still have almost a full day of riding in the dry is absolutely awesome. But we are as far north on this island as we could possibly be. We have quite a trek back, so we're gonna head back via motorways so that we can bish bash bosh it off. I think on the motorways it should take us about 45 minutes perhaps. I think that's what Martin said. I'm hoping that's what he said, because I was thinking it was going to be a lot longer. But it would be a lot longer if we took the twisties, because if you can imagine a map with like loads of twisties and you just straighten out, you just pull the string and straighten out the squiggles, then it's like 45 minutes of straight line is actually 3 hours and 45 minutes of squiggles. So we're not doing the squiggles, we're heading straight back just because it's been peeing it down. I'll insert some footage now actually, hopefully from my mobile, to show you guys what it was like when we pulled over so that everyone could get changed into the waterproofs. I haven't brought any. I've got a waterproof membrane in this RST jacket that I'm wearing, and I've got my Motor Girl leggings on, which they'll dry soon enough. You know what, that's the beauty of Gran Canaria. It can be absolutely honking down and absolutely disgusting, but then you can ride like a few minutes, 20 minutes, find a sunspot, and you're instantly dry, and it's like, huh. But I don't think that's going to be the case for the ride back, because the island, the whole island, is in a downpour right now. Wow, just these massive structures of the motorway above you. Oh, this is so fun. I mean, not great for Martin, who's trying to avoid us all getting punctures, but we're just like trying to avoid all the rocks and stones. Everybody, I'm back at my hotel room. I'm showered, I'm dry, I'm warm after the end of the day where we did get rained on. So I didn't round things up at the unit just because you're a bit soggy trying to get all your stuff together. But yeah, what a day, what another fantastic day. More twisties. It was a bit of a different dynamic today because I was in quite a large group. I chose to put myself quite at the back, just so that I could capture everybody flowing and vibing and riding and just enjoying themselves, and just kind of showing you the essence of what it's like when you're on one of these rides. I kind of switched positions a few times within the group. One, not really intentionally, because I thought I'd lost my phone, so I was a bit stressed, so I needed to get in front of Martin to let him know that I needed to check if I had it on my person or if I'd left it back at the cafe. But the roads have just been flowy, sweepy, and honestly, even the rain is warm. So I have to ride in the rain anyway, always in the UK, but it's always freezing, cold, So yeah, I can cope with a little bit of warm rain. It wasn't too bad. I actually thought it was quite funny. And I enjoyed riding in it because you just got to respect the conditions, respect the tarmac. We were going through some bits where there was a lot of rock fall and you had to just be careful at navigating the rocks on the road. And that was pretty cool. Never had to do that before. But yeah, it's sad to miss Lillie and it's sad to miss Mike. But I've enjoyed it on my own as well because you're never actually on your own on a tour. You can always make friends with so many characters. All right, guys. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this day and I'll catch you on the next episode. Goodbye.